This Russian soldier tried to survive by pretending to be dead. But what happens when his acting turns into a deadly reality? He died after a bomb was dropped by a Ukrainian drone. In a horrifying moment on the battlefield, a Russian soldier, caught off guard, desperately attempts to evade a relentless Ukrainian drone. This is the moment a Ukrainian kamikaze drone hits a Russian soldier in the head with pinpoint accuracy. On the front line, a Russian infantryman, in order to survive, surrendered to a Ukrainian drone. After the drone accurately dropped a grenade into the trench, the occupier showed with gestures that he wanted to surrender. Ukrainian drone attacks on Russian soldiers. Their deadly payloads struck with precision and left a haunting trail of destruction. Amidst the brutal conflict in Ukraine, a haunting phenomenon emerges. Russian soldiers, overwhelmed by the horrors of war, are tragically choosing to end their own lives on the unforgiving front lines. These desperate acts of defiance and despair reveal the immense psychological toll of battle. The operators of the attack UAV of the Azov Brigade are aiming at enemy positions. The camera captured the moment of the suicide of a wounded serviceman of the Russian Federation. These Russian soldiers, their fate sealed by an unforgiving anti-personnel mine, met their end in a horrifying moment of conflict. Everyone has seen how the pilots of the 47th OMBR attack UAV company destroy the invaders, but this case is special. They laid the tombstone of the occupier. Ukrainian kamikaze drone swoops on unsuspecting Russian soldier with precision. In the war-ravaged expanse of eastern Ukraine, a shadowy force emerges, the Sniper Unit, with thermal-scoped rifles designed to pierce the blackest nights and strike fear into Ukraine's ranks. They call it Sniper Terror, a relentless barrage that shatters morale and extinguishes the enemy's will to fight. Chechen Akhmat Unit under a Ukrainian drone bomb. These unmanned aerial predators relentlessly hunt down their targets, leaving destruction in their wake. Russian drone disrupting a wounded Ukrainian soldier evacuation. Russian drone attacks on Ukrainian soldiers and vehicles. The 3rd Assault Unit knocks out the invaders from the stronghold near Bakhmut. The stormtroopers came close to the enemy's positions and, from a risky distance, launched a series of powerful explosions right in the enemy's trenches. Ukrainian snipers shooting at Russian soldiers. According to them, they pretended to be dead during a failed assault and tried to escape later at night. Close trench fights in the Kremen forest. In the heart of the Ukrainian conflict, the 72nd Mechanized Brigade, known as the Black Zaporozhians, uses UAV to burn enemy armor. These silent avengers soar, turning the tide of battle in their favor. The Russian army bravely entered their tanks into the fighting area in Ukraine. However, unfortunately, not a single tank managed to survive the Ukrainian army drone attack. The drones destroyed and damaged much of Russia's military equipment. This footage shows the movement of enemy infantry from the sky. They aim, adjust fire, and shoot at the occupants with a 120mm caliber. The enemy is destroyed on the spot.